Lesson 111. Agorazdo. As we have mentioned before, we are telling you to pronounce the letter zeta as if it is a Z sound and a D sound put together. So that's why we're pronouncing this word like agorazdo. As you continue your journey of studying ancient Greek, you may change to a different pronunciation of that letter, but for now, this is a good place to start. By now, you are familiar with the concept of verb stems and endings. The stem for this verb is agorazd. So if we add our endings, we get agorazdo, agorazdes, agorazde, agorazdomen, agorazdete, and agorazdusin. Let's take a look at our example sentence. Kadmos is the subject, and the verb is all the way at the end of the sentence, agorazde. Notice that the ending is epsilon iota, and that's third person singular. So agorazde means he, she, or it buys, or he, she, or it is buying. Notice that the word hippus, which means horse, has the direct object plural ending. So we know that Kadmos is buying the horses because of the special ending of that noun. And then we have the adverb polakis, which means often. So we'll translate this sentence as Kadmos buys horses often. Let's take a quick look at a couple of exercises. In number 1, the subject is the merchants. That's hoi imporoi. And what are they doing? Well, the verb here is agorazdusin. That's our new word for this lesson. Notice that it's third person plural. Because the ending is usin, we have the movable nu there because it's the last word in the sentence. So agorazdusin says they buy or they are buying, and the direct object is hoirus. That's the word for pig, but it's got the direct object plural ending. So we could translate number 1 as the merchants are buying pigs. In number 2, we have the word hoti here. That means because. And so we have 2 parts to this sentence. In the first part, it says, upota agorazdomen. That means we never buy. And then hippus is the direct object, and that's plural. So it says, we never buy horses. Then hoti says because, and then uk esmen says we are not. And then georgoi is a predicate nominative. So the second part of the sentence says we are not farmers. And so the sentence as a whole says we never buy horses because we are not farmers.